Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone or iPad. If you are getting the cannot connect to App Store error on your iPhone or iPad, try these working fixes. First of all, check your internet connection. Simply swipe down the control center from the top right corner of your screen for the newer version of iPhone, and for the older version simply swipe down from the bottom and a control center will appear on your screen. Now, once control center appears, you can check if you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or not. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Now, go back to the home screen and try restarting your iPhone or iPad. A simple restart can fix your device any temporary glitches or issues. Now, once restarted, all you have to do is tap on the Settings app on your mobile device. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the Software Update and make sure that you are up to date to the latest version of iOS. If an update is available, install it. Now again, go back to the settings, general, and this time scroll down till the bottom. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.